Hello students, welcome to my English grammar class 9, chapter 5, the noun phrase. We know the noun phrase is an important component or a grammatical unit in English, and in a sentence, the noun phrase is very important. So let us discuss in this class what is a noun phrase, what is its form, and what is its function. Discuss the noun phrase. We know the noun phrase is an important component or an important grammatical unit in a sentence, in an English sentence. So the noun phrase can be used as the subject, it can be used in the subject, in the predicate, it can be used as the subject of a subject, object, complement, and adjunct like this. So let us discuss first what is a noun phrase and what is its form and function. What is a noun phrase? A noun phrase is a group of words with a noun as the head. We know phrase. A phrase is a group of words with a sense and a noun phrase is a group of words with a noun as the head. So, what is the form of the noun phrase? The boy wants something. Here, the boy is the noun phrase. You know, the boy is the head word and it is a noun. The is the article. So, you see, the boy consists of two words is the noun phrase. The boy wants something, the boy is the noun phrase. In the second sentence, that silly donkey is away. That silly donkey is the noun phrase and donkey is the noun and is the head word or a head noun, and that is the demonstrative, silly is the adjective. So that silly donkey is away, that silly donkey is the noun phrase. So we have discussed a noun phrase can be of two words or consist of two words or three words, and it can be also of one word also. Man is immortal, man is the noun. So the noun phrase is here, man, and they are busy. They is the pronoun, hence it is the noun phrase. Why? Because the pronouns belong to the noun class or noun family. So they are busy, they is the noun phrase. From these two examples, we know that noun phrases can consist of also one or single word. Whose pencil is yours? Whose pencils WH word is there before the noun, head noun, pencil. So whose pencil is yours? Whose pencil is the noun phrase. His first 10 books are missing. You see here, books is the head word or head noun, and he is first 10 at the pre-words of the head noun. So his first 10 books is the noun phrase. So his first 10 are the predeterminers or pre-modifiers of the noun phrase. That girl in the corner is very poor. That girl in the corner is the noun phrase. The girl is the head noun and or a noun, and that is the pre-modifier demonstrative. In the corner is the prepositional phrase, which is the post modifier. So we have discussed in the what is the form of the noun phrase. So we know from this that a noun phrase can consist of a single word or more than one words, two or three or more words. So we know what are the forms of noun phrase. So let us discuss what is the function of the noun phrase in sentences. That poor man is hungry. That poor man is the noun phrase. What is the function in this sentence? It is the subject. That poor man is hungry. That poor man is the subject. Is the noun phrase. And the function of this noun phrase is here the subject of the sentence. Okay. My uncle bought a new car. Here, a new car is the noun phrase. What is the function of this noun phrase? The function of the noun phrase, a new car, is the object of the verb here. And a coconut is a tall tree. We know a tall tree is the noun phrase. And what is the function of the noun phrase? A tall tree? It is the complement of the verb. Okay. My father came last night. We know last night is the noun phrase. And what is the function of this noun phrase? Last night, the function of the noun phrase last night in this sentence is adjunct. So we know noun phrases can be used as a subject, object both direct object and indirect object, and they can be used also as a complement, object verb complement and object complement, and they also noun phrase can also be used as a adjunct in the sentence. Okay, so let us discuss the elements of a noun phrase. What are the elements? Which words can go before or after the head noun in a noun phrase? Let us know about the different elements of a noun phrase. Pre-modifiers of the noun phrase. Which words, the words those go before the head noun in a noun phrase are called pre-modifiers. Let us discuss first determiners. For determiners, we know articles. Articles A and D are the articles. They go before the head noun in a noun phrase. A bag, A is the article and bag is the noun. A bag is the noun phrase. An elephant, the camel. Like this, demonstratives also go before the noun, head noun in the noun phrase. This donkey, that donkey. These dogs, those dogs. Okay. Numeral words we know. Some are cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. One is the cardinal number and first is the ordinal number. They can go before head nouns in the noun phrase. Numerals like one child, three boys, the first girl, the third decision, like this. And quantifiers we know many, much, little, some are the quantifiers. They also go before nouns in the noun phrase. Many flowers, some books. Possessives also go before nouns in the noun phrases. Ramos shirt, Ramos is the possessive. My car, my is the possessive. Your house, your is the possessive used before house. The noun in the noun phrase, your house. Okay. Distributives we know each, every, either, neither are the distributives. They are used before the nouns in the noun phrase. Each man, every town, either book, neither pen. And multipliers we know twice the quantity, twice the quantity, twice double are the multipliers. They also go before nouns in the noun phrase. Double number. Okay. Double words also they are the determiners. They can be used before nouns in the noun phrase. Whose book? Whose book is this? Which class are you in? Which class? Which is the WH word used before the noun class, the noun phrase, which class. Okay. Besides determiners, we can also use adjectives. We know the white goat, a big elephant. Big is the adjective used before the noun an elephant and in the noun phrase a big elephant. Participles also we know participles, present participles and past participles. Present participle running, past participle trained. They also go before nouns in the noun phrases. A running train, here running is the present participle used before the noun train. In the noun phrase, a running train. Trained is the past participle used in the noun before the noun workers and the noun phrase trained workers. Okay. Classifiers. We know classifiers is science college. Science is the noun. When a noun is used as an adjective of is noun, it is called classifier. A science college. We know science is the classifier. It is used before the noun college. In the noun phrase, a science college. A tablecloth. The examples. So let us discuss post modifiers of a noun phrase. That means the elements those go after the noun in the noun phrase. I can see something bright in the sky. We know here the noun phrase is something bright and something is the noun and bright is the post modifier and it is the adjective. Okay, and adverbs can also be post modifiers. People outside started shouting. People is the noun and outside is the adverb, and it is a post modifier. It is used after the noun in the noun phrase people outside. The weather today is fine. The weather today is fine. Today is the adverb and it is the adverb and it is used after the noun weather. So the weather today in the noun phrase with the weather today, the adverb today is used after the noun weather. So today is here post modifier. And prepositional phrases are also used in the noun phrase after the noun. She is a girl from our village. A girl from our village is the noun phrase, and from our village is the prepositional phrase, which modifies or which goes with the noun a girl. In the noun phrase, a girl from our village. Okay. Non-finite clauses also go as a post modifiers of a noun phrase. Did you meet the man sitting in the corner? Sitting in the corner is the non-finite clause and it is used after the man noun in the noun phrase the man sitting in the corner. Okay. The book kept on the table is mine. Kept on the table is the non-finite clause and it is used after the noun the book. Book of the noun clause the book kept on the table. Okay. Then finite clauses can be also used as post modifiers of a noun clause. How? We help the girl who was new in your class. Okay. Who was new in your class is a noun clause as a position of the noun, the girl. So here the noun phrase is the girl who was new in your class. Another example, people who work hard succeed in life. Who work hard is the finite clause and it is the post modifier of the noun people. People work hard, who work hard succeed in life. People who work hard is the noun phrase and people is the noun who work hard is the finite clause and it is the post modifier. So let us discuss the order of the determiner, adjective, head noun and post modifiers. The usual pattern of a noun phrase is first determiners, then adjectives, then head noun, then post modifiers. You know, some of them are predeterminers. They are used before determiners. Predeterminers come before the determiner in a noun phrase. All of the boys here, all, the is the article is the determiner and all is the predeterminer. Both is the predeterminer. Have is a predeterminer. You see the examples. All of the boys. You see, of is optional. We may or may not use if the noun phrase is there. The boys is there. So we can use all of the boys. We can also use all the boys. But if it is pronoun, of is compulsory, obligatory. If it is noun, the voice of use of is optional, but if it is pronoun, the use of is compulsory. All of them. Both both the players, we can say both of the players, but both of them. Half of my time, half my time, we can say, but half of it, none of them. In case of pronoun, of is compulsory. In case of the noun phrase, we can use of, the use of is optional. Okay, so look at the following diagram to know the order of the three main elements in the noun phrase, the poor man. You see the tree diagram. Noun phrase, the poor man. Here, the poor is determiner, and the is determiner article, and poor is the adjective, and noun is the man. So first determiner, then adjective, then man. We should keep in mind, my students, that predeterminer comes first, then adjective, then noun. The poor man. So let us discuss another example. His first 10 stories. His is the possessive. Possessive comes first. Ordinal number, cardinal number. First, second, third, fourth are the ordinal number. 1, 2, 3, 4 the cardinal number. So first possessive, then ordinal number, then cardinal number. If two numerals go together, we should use first ordinal number, then cardinal number, then noun. He the first 10 stories. Okay, so let us see, remember, keeps on in your mind, noun phrases may have single words. For example, flowers are beautiful. Flowers are the noun phrase. They are expensive. They a pronoun, do pronoun, but they are noun phrase. Secondly, they may have only three modifiers. The red flowers are beautiful. Here, flowers is the noun in the noun phrase, and the red are the pre-modifiers. Can be used only. Okay, they may have only post modifiers. The flowers in the pot are very attractive. The flowers in the pot is the noun phrase, and in the pot, the prepositional phrase, it is the post modifier of the noun. And they may have both the pre and the post modifiers. How? The red flowers in the pots are beautiful. The red flowers is the noun, the red are the pre-modifiers, in the pots the post modifiers. Okay, so you should keep in mind, this is how we can make also a noun phrases. Okay, so let us look at the following tree diagram. Mark the position of the elements in the noun phrase. You should keep in mind the order of the pre-modifiers or the elements of the noun phrase. Take the example, all the four very old science colleges. This is the noun phrase. All we know, predeterminer usually comes first, then comes a determiner, the is the determiner, then comes a cardinal number, 4. Then comes a adjective phrase. What is the adjective phrase? Very old, very easy. Then we can divide it in very easy, intensifier or the modifier of the adjective old, intensifier, and then adjective is old. So and then after that, science we know is the classifier, a noun, a noun functioning as adjective, science, then colleges. So first predeterminer, then determiner, then cardinal number, then adjective, then a classifier, and then head noun or head noun. All the four very old science colleges. So you can also make tree diagrams of any noun phrase. So let us do the activity 1. Spot the noun phrases in the following sentences, then identify the determiners. That silly donkey is away. In this sentence, what is the noun phrase? That silly donkey. Those people are busy. Those people is the noun phrase in this sentence. Have pity on the starving child. The starving child is the noun phrase here. All of you can do the sum. All of you, the noun phrase. The sum is the noun phrase. The little girl is always talking. The little girl is here, the noun phrase. And he has one sister and two brothers. One sister is the noun phrase, two brothers is also the noun phrase. I heard his first three words. His first three words is the noun phrase. All these four empty bottles are here. All these four empty bottles, the noun phrase. And Mary's mother is dead, but her father is still alive. Mary's mother is the noun phrase, her father is the noun phrase. Which color do you like? Red or green? Which color is the noun phrase? Okay, so let us discuss, then identify the determiners. In the past sentence, that silly donkey is away, we have discussed that silly donkey is the noun phrase, donkey is the noun or head noun, and that is the demonstrative, and silly is the adjective. The second sentence, those people are busy, those is those people is the noun phrase, people is the head noun, and those is the demonstrative. The next sentence, have pity on the starving child. The is the article here. Starving is the participle here of the noun phrase, the starving child. And now child. All of you can do the sum. All is the predeterminer, and all of in the noun phrase all of you. In the noun phrase the sum, the is the article. In the next sentence, the little girl is always talking. The little girl is the noun phrase, and in this noun phrase, girl is the noun, and the is the article, and little is the quantifier. And in the next sentence, he has one sister and two brothers. One sister is the noun phrase, sister is the noun, one is the numerical or a cardinal number word. And two brothers we know, two brothers is the noun phrase, brothers noun, and two is the cardinal number. I heard his first three words. We know his is the possessive, first is the ordinal number, and 3 is the cardinal number, and they are numericals. In the noun phrase, his first three words. All these four empty bottles are here. All these four empty bottles are the is the noun phrase. Bottles is the noun, and all is predeterminer, and these is demonstrative. Four is cardinal number, empty is adjective here. Mary's mother is dead, but her father is alive. We know Mary is possessive. In the noun phrase, Mary's mother, mother is a noun, Mary is possessive. In the noun, another noun phrase, her father, father is the noun, or is possessive. Next, in the last sentence, which color do you like, red or green? Which color is the noun phrase, color is the noun, which is the WH word. Okay, and I think we are clear. Let us do the activity 2. Rearrange the words to make a noun phrase. We have already discussed which one should come first, which one should come then in a noun phrase. First books is 10. Okay, let us discuss his first 10 books. His is the possessive comes first, then first is we know the ordinal number comes then 10 is the cardinal number then, and then the noun books comes at the end. Big the boys three. You see the three big boys. We know the is the article comes first, then three is the cardinal number, then big adjective comes, then boys noun comes at last. The first five planes, we know first the article comes first, then first is the ordinal number, five is the cardinal number, we know ordinal number comes first, cardinal number then, and then noun planes. Okay, then in the first question, all saris beautiful all her beautiful saris. All comes predeterminer comes first, or is the possessive, beautiful is the adjective, then comes the noun saris. Next question, nice a movie very. You see, a is used first, very nice adjective phrase. In that adjective phrase, very is intensifier comes first, then nice adjective comes then, and then comes the noun movie. Okay. Then question number 6, very boys innocent young. Very, then comes young innocent boys. Very young we know, very young is the adjective phrase, and very is the intensifier comes first, young adjective comes then, and it is yes adjective, innocent is it is the so very young innocent boys. Come to the seventh question, famous 7 schools those music. Let us put them in order. Those comes first, 7 famous music schools. Those demonstrative, then 7 comes cardinal number, then famous adjective music classifier schools. Okay, now then last question, old the man silly. You show the article comes, the determiner article comes first, then silly adjective, then old adjective, then man. Now the silly old man. I think you can do like these other activities. Okay. So I think you have a clear-cut idea about the noun phrase. Do the all the activities. Thank you. Best of luck.